Hello, my name's Angela Daymond and I'm back with you again to talk about natural dyeing. Only today I'm going to teach you about how to use a slow cooker, which is one of these ones. And this is a bit of kit that lots of people have in their kitchens, but sometimes you just don't use it for food cooking, and they're actually ideal for your natural dyeing, because what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how you can dye 4 different colours of fabric using 4 different plants in one go in the slow cooker. So in front of me here I have something that you'll probably all recognise, which is onion skins. I have some walnut husks, which will give me a browny colour. This one here is also wood chippings, but this is from a logwood tree, and this is from a South American tree. So this is the only one really that isn't native to this country, and this should give me purpley colours.